Thinking about new vinyl siding in Andover, Massachusetts? Vinyl siding is a popular choice for many homeowners. It's durable, affordable, and low maintenance. However, there are a few things you need to know about protecting your investment and to keep your home looking good for years. The first is regular cleaning, which improves its appearance, extends its life, and prevents damage. Luckily, cleaning vinyl siding is simple. You need a soft bristle brush, garden hose, and gentle cleaning solution, water and mild detergent or specialized cleaner. Follow these steps. 1. Wet the siding bottom to top, avoiding streaks. 2. Apply the cleaning solution with the brush, scrubbing side to side. Clean all surfaces and crevices. 3. Rinse top to bottom, removing all cleaning solution and dirt. For multi-story homes, use a low-setting pressure washer or hire professional installers for thorough cleaning. Additionally, siding should be inspected regularly and repaired promptly. Fading, cracks, or loose sections can result from weathering, improper installation, or pests. A professional vinyl siding installation company can help you identify repair needs and provide solutions to keep your home looking beautiful. Need help with vinyl siding installation or maintenance? Contact Solid State Construction today at 508-506-8934.